In this video, I'll show you how to unsubscribe from a channel on Roku. Step 1. On a Roku device. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Navigate to the channel you want to unsubscribe from in your channel lineup. Press the star button on your remote to open the options menu. Select Manage Subscription and press OK. Step 2. Cancel subscription. In the Manage Subscription menu, select Turn off Auto Renew or Cancel Subscription. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. Step 3 is an alternative method, and that is unsubscribing via the Roku website. Visit my.roku.com and sign into your Roku account. Click on Manage your subscriptions under Payments and Subscriptions. Find the subscription you want to cancel and click Manage Subscription, then select Turn off Auto Renew or Cancel Subscription and confirm. Now I have some tips and notes for you. This process only works for subscriptions built through Roku. If you subscribe through another service, cancel directly with that provider. Removing the channel does not cancel subscriptions automatically, so you will have to do that separately. And that is how you unsubscribe from a channel on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.